Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Aries. So these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, if you have some doubts or confusions, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have after this general energy that may give you some clarity in your situation, guys, Aries. So let's start with these cards here. We have 9 of earth, 7 of air and fortune's wheel. So in your situation, guys, Aries, it may be in your relationship or it may be in your career situation. You are someone who is really talented and skilled, guys, and you are someone who is dedicated and devoted, disciplined. You are a disciplined person. So whatever you think for, you go towards those actions and you do it in that particular order, and you are whatever plans you make, you stick to those plans and you do it no matter what. And that may be the reason people see you as a very trustworthy and a devoted, reliable person. And in your career situation or in your relationship, this trustworthiness is going to help you a lot, guys. People rely on you and they can trust you no matter what, and you are someone helping to build that strong foundation, let it be in a relationship or in your work situation. And you are someone who has clear vision. So maybe sometimes you do not listen to others' views or suggestions. You know the right things to do, guys. That may be the reason you don't want to listen to others. But sometimes people may see you as someone independent, living a life on their own terms. So someone who won't listen to others, maybe, guys. But today, being diplomatic, Aries, maybe if someone is suggesting you certain things, it may be in your personal life or it may be in your work. So those suggestions, you can listen to it, guys. You need not follow, but just listen to it and see the truth in that. Maybe being diplomatic is going to help you a long way today, and that is going to you are going to do something right for yourself when you are being diplomatic today, guys. So you need not listen to it exactly, but you need not do it exactly, but at least you should listen to others' suggestions, guys. And today, whatever you have worked for, you are going to see a breakthrough, guys, in your situation. It may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. So lucky breaks are here for you, and destiny is playing a great part in that. So success and happiness is your destiny, guys. Aries, that is what I see with these cards, Aries. So you are a hard worker, you are trying really hard and you are tasting success today, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 10 of earth. So with this card, I see that you are experiencing that sense of contentment, joy and happiness to be with this person, and you are simply smiling because of that good luck that is running in your situation today, guys. And your hard work, maybe your responsible attitude and whatever love and support you had for this person, you showed for this person, that is coming back to you. This person loves you and they see you as someone reliable, and they see you as someone who can be trusted and who they can spend their life with. So they see you as the person of their lives. So maybe for some of you, you may get married or get engaged, guys, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, Aries. It is 5 of Earth. So with this card in your situation, maybe there are some opportunities that are hidden, or it may not be up to your expectation, so you do not see that as an opportunity, but these are also great opportunities for success, guys. So you just need to change your attention or change your expectation and to see things as it is. You will realize that it is a blessing in disguise, Aries. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this video, Aries. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here, and you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes. Choose the card or the crystals, whatever comes to you first, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card for those who chose this card. Let's see what it is. It is the white snake, understanding. So this card just means that however difficult our situations are, guys, maybe we are facing lot of struggles today, there are things that are beyond our control, circumstances are beyond our control, something is causing a lot of stress and difficulties, and we may feel that people are not helping us, they are quite unemotional and they are not at all kind, they do not have that helpful nature. But you need to understand that whatever kindness or compassion you have shown to others, it is going to come back to you multifold, guys. And whatever sacrifices you have done for others or to help them in some way, all that is going to come back to you and you are going to get help, and there is going to be a breakthrough moment in your life. Soon everything you did, all the good things that you did is going to help you in unexpected ways, guys. So you should not forget that. And when you are truthful, when you stand by truth, there is no one or nothing that can defeat you in life today. So you are going to be victorious, and you are going to be in a position able to help others, change others' lives, guys, and you are going to be the greatest inspiration for people with you. And you are someone who is going to heal others. Maybe this person you love, you are going to heal them. Maybe whatever hurt they have in their hearts, you are just going to heal them and change the way their life is going. And you are a wonderful person who is really responsible, caring, compassionate. And though people are arrogant, selfish, they are not at all concerned about you, your kindness is going to come back to you multifold, guys, and you are going to see great changes in people around you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Such a beautiful card and a beautiful reading with this card. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is your second crystal and this is the card, guys. Let's see what it is. Embrace change. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all is that today you are going to see great changes, transformation in your life, guys. Change is inevitable, guys, in our life. Nature changes and we change. Everything changes about us, our physical appearance, our emotional self. Everything goes through great changes each and every moment. And world is constantly changing. But if you resist to change, if you want things to go in the same way, same order, you are going to see difficulties, or you are going to see a lot of obstacles and feel a lot of stress. So you need to understand that, guys, and many opportunities are waiting for you, but you need to, what to say, change the way you are. Maybe you want to go by the old and familiar safe way, step by step, and you are what to say, you are afraid to take up something new in your life today, venture out, think out of the box, or do something out of the box. But you have to trust in the angels. This is an angel oracle card, guys. So angels are here helping you, guiding you in each and every step of the way. So something new is coming into your life today. You should just be ready to accept that new change, a new circumstance, or a new person coming towards you, guys. So you need to let go of all that repetitive old patterns which are not useful to you anymore. So if you welcome change, and you are going to see great things happening in your life today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.